Welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer.
And you know the weather is getting really pretty outside.
It is, and this is a perfect day to make this next recipe.
If you love salad recipes, you will love this one.
So we're gonna take you back and show you how it's done. So we're starting out by browning up 2 pounds of lean ground beef, and this is just your 85-15, whatever you have on hand.
2 tablespoons of taco seasoning.
This is just your store-bought Ortega taco seasoning. Now you can make your own taco seasoning if you'd like. I'm just gonna add a little bit of onion powder also. Now we're gonna add a can of Rotel, and I've already drained it.
Diced tomatoes and green chilies.
And then half a can of sweet corn. And this was something that I had left over because I don't want to use the whole can. I only want to use half the can.
It's getting colorful.
Sheila and her color. It is getting colorful.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, yes.
And then got some black beans that I have rinsed. I'm going to go ahead and put these in. Hey, don't forget, we got volume 3 of the Best of Cooking with Shotgun Red cookbook out now.
Yes.
So check out the links. We've got all 3 cookbooks on our website at shotgunred.com. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that all in and cover it, let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and then remove it from the heat, and we'll show you what we do next.
And that looks really, really good.
So I like to make like a nacho style salad. So I usually take some thin tortilla chips and lay them on a plate, and then I get some shredded cheese, Mexican blend, cheddar, whatever you have on hand, and I'm going to sprinkle that over the top of them and put that in the microwave for about 30 seconds to melt.
You can do this with or without chips.
Yes. So once the cheese is melted, we're going to go ahead and scoop some of this delicious meat mixture onto here. It smells so good.
That's for sure.
Once we get that all on, then we chopped up some green salad, and you can shred it, chop it, however you like your salad.
It's chopped up so good and so pretty.
Place some of this salad right on top of that meat mixture. And I like to do the salad on top so it doesn't get wilted because the meat mixture is kind of warm. So I put the salad over the top, and then we're going to add a little bit more cheese.
Mexican blend cheese.
We love our cheese. And then I've got ranch dressing here. Now you can get the jalapeno ranch if you like a little more kick to your salads. This is the Lighthouse Ranch. You know, Steve has a really good ranch recipe. You should check it out. I'll put the link below the video here. Then of course you got to have some sour cream.
Yummy.
So we'll put some dollops here and there.
You could add olives, green onions, or whatever you like.
Absolutely. I just went and got some tomatoes and diced them up. I'm going to put the tomatoes on top. If you've got some Pico de Gallo on hand, you can use that.
You can also use those tortilla strips, salad toppers.
Yes, but I'm going to add some of these fried crispy onions on top. And by the way, if you haven't had Steve's Pico de Gallo recipe, we also have that on the channel, so check that out. I'll put that link below the video also. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to try it. Are you?
I am ready.
As Steve would say, is this the best Fiesta salad you've ever tried?
If it ain't, it ought to be.
We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye!
Well, that's She and Jen, them 2 girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.